Hey guys, I'm testing out some new skincare products by VGO today. So far, I really like the first two. Oh, my skin feels so good. The cleanser and the vitamin C serum. And now I'm gonna try the Snail Mucin 92% moisturizer. Okay, I have to be honest, I swore I was never gonna use Snail Mucin because I just can't. But I've heard such good things about it that decided to give it a try. Look at that. Wow, it is very, very viscous. And so all you're gonna do is put this on like you would a moisturizer and then let it soak in to any really dry areas. This one, it actually has a very mild, clean scent. My skin is 44 years old, so I need all of the moisture I can get. And this has like kind of I want to say almost a tacky feeling. Like you can tell it's gonna soak in because it is so thick. It's already starting to dry and it kind of just smells like a clean soap or a clean shampoo. Really, really subtle. I don't like a lot of scents. So, okay. I can say I think this feels really good. So thank you to VGO for sending this to me to try out. I'm gonna put my normal moisturizer on top of it after this soaks in, but so far so good.